Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Odoo website. This is a useful option if you want to create a simple business website, service website, portfolio, landing page, or even the starting point for an online store without needing to code everything manually. We'll start by going to the official Odoo website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Start Now, it's free, and click it. This will take you into Odoo setup flow, where you can choose the type of tool you want to begin with. Starting from the official website is important because it gives you access to Odoo's guided setup process and helps you create your website workspace properly from the beginning. From there, select Website, then click Continue to move forward. This tells Odoo that your main goal is to build a website, so the setup will focus on website creation instead of other tools like accounting, CRM, inventory, or sales. Next, you'll fill out the sign-up form. Enter your first and last name, then type in your website name. After that, add your email address, select your country, enter your phone number, and choose your preferred language. Take a moment here to make sure everything is accurate, since these details help set up your account and website correctly. For example, your website name can be your business name, brand name, personal name, or project name, depending on what type of website you are creating. When you're done, click Start Now. After Odoo finishes preparing your workspace, you'll see a prompt to begin the guided website setup. Click Let's Do It to launch the website configurator. This is where Odoo helps shape your site based on your goals. The configurator makes the process easier because instead of starting with a blank page, Odoo asks you a few questions and then suggests a website structure that matches your needs. You'll be asked to type in what you want, so enter a short description of your website idea. Then, type in what kind of business the site is for. After that, enter the main objective of the website, such as presenting services, generating leads, or selling products. Try to be clear and specific, because these choices influence the suggestions Odoo gives you. For example, if you're building a website for a cleaning service, you may want pages for services, pricing, testimonials, and contact. If you're building a product-based website, you may need product pages, a shop section, and a clear call to action. Once that's done, choose a color palette for your website. This will help define the overall look and feel of your brand. Colors matter because they create the first impression for visitors. A clean blue palette can feel professional and trustworthy. A black and gold palette can feel premium, and bright colors can make the site feel more creative or energetic. After selecting your colors, add the pages and features you want included. This is an important part of the setup because it determines what your first version of the site will contain. You can choose pages and features based on your website goal, such as a home page, about page, services page, contact form, blog, appointment booking, or shop features. Choosing the right pages from the start can save time later when you begin editing. When everything looks right, click Build My Website. Odoo will then generate design options for you. Choose your favorite theme from the available selections, or click View More Themes if you want to explore additional styles before deciding. Once you find a template you like, click on that chosen template to apply it to your site. A helpful tip here is to choose a theme that already feels close to your business style, because that will make customization much faster. Now you'll be taken into the website editor. Click Edit to begin customizing the site. Inside the editor, you can adjust the blocks, which are the content sections that make up the page layout. You can also edit the style to change visual details, and edit the theme to refine the overall appearance of the website. This is where you can make the site feel more aligned with your brand and purpose. You can update text, replace images, change buttons, move sections, adjust spacing, and make sure each part of the page clearly guides visitors toward the action you want them to take. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Save to keep your progress. Before saving, it's also a good idea to preview the page and check how it looks from a visitor's point of view, especially on mobile, because many people will open your website from their phones. And that's how to create an Odoo website from start to finish. From here, you can continue improving your content, adding more pages, connecting your domain, checking your contact forms, and refining the design so your website looks professional and works well for your business goals.